Hi, I'm Richard Johnson, a co-founder and partner with Ascent Employment Law, and I would like to take a minute to talk to you, small businesses out there, about what's next when you're firing up your operation. You're going to be doing hiring as you grow. Let's take a minute and talk about that. Firstly, congratulations. We started our firm with the fundamental aim of getting into relationships with clients that we really understand and want to help. And so I'm absolutely focused on seeing you grow and not overdoing it with the legal tools you need to put in place. But what I do think you should do is think about the following. Be careful not to unwind what you've created at the beginning. So take some time to think about the values and your sweet spot in the industry and then strengthen it. And a way to strengthen it is in your hiring processes and your documentation. So two main things that are really important to think about are having an employment agreement in place, because that sets out in writing what you can expect of your employees, what they can expect of you. And you also want to think about in a policy how you deliver your services. So how are you going to get those values across to your clients? The policy will dictate how employees are to act. So enshrine that beautiful creation of your small business in your policies and your employment agreement. It's really important to get employment agreements in place because it also bounds in what people might be entitled to in the event that the relationship ends, severance. So that's a really important thing to consider. Now, in terms of policies, there's one main policy that BC employers should know about. As of 2013, all employers need to have a bullying and harassment policy. So put that in place. You may also want to have a values policy or a policy that addresses how you do what you do in the special way you do it. But you don't want to go policy crazy at this stage of your business. You don't need to. Get advice as and when you need. Again, Ascent is here in a relationship-based context to help as you go. So pay as you go. Don't get bogged down in the legalities when you don't need to. It's a tool. Use it as such. One thing I want to flag is that Ascent has a subscription model where we offer advice to employers on a month-to-month basis for a set fee, and we're here as you need us, so you don't have to worry about getting a hefty bill. So we've listened to our clients in preparing that subscription model. And lastly, reward your employees. I hope that all your hires are stars. You want to put a program in place to reward them and make sure that you're incentivizing great behavior that steers them in the right direction so that they have something to achieve. I really want to hear how your business is doing, so reach out, be in touch.